Have you ever traveled to a different city or a different country just because you're craving for a specific cuisine? And do you remember that iconic scene in Eat, Pray, Love where Julia Roberts enjoys a slice of pizza in Naples? Well, I decided to do something similar to this to have the ultimate pizza experience. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nivesha Parwar and today I'm going to share a story which I think all the foodies out there will love. So it was a regular Friday night. I was sitting on the couch scrolling through Instagram and suddenly I saw this picture of a pizza. And this wasn't just any regular pizza. This was authentic, cheesy, wood-fired Neapolitan pizza. And in that moment, I knew exactly what to do. I decided I'll book a flight, fly to Naples, and eat the world's best pizza. Because why not? Life is too short to settle for anything less than perfection, right? Fast forward to a few days, I landed in Naples, a city with narrow cobblestone streets, beautiful architecture, and the scent of pizza lingering in the air. Well, my destination was Pizzeria da Micheli. It's the same pizzeria that people say has the best pizza in the world. And I just wanted to check whether it lived up to its hype or not. Walking into Micheli was like walking into heaven. It has been serving slices of history for over 150 years. And it started in 1870s, and even now it is filled with tourists and locals. If you see outside, the atmosphere is bustling. Everybody is waiting for their turn to get a chance to taste that pizza. And let me tell you, it's not easy to get your hands on that because you have to get a coupon, wait for your turn, and be as patient as you can because whenever you go, whatever time you go, there is always going to be a long queue and there are no reservations for this. So all I can say is you need to be really patient to have it. Now coming on to the menu, it has only 4 types of pizzas. So I ordered Marita, which is half marinara and half margherita. After a long wait, my pizza finally arrived. It was a Napoli-style masterpiece. A perfectly charred, chewy crust topped with a lot of tomato sauce, creamy mozzarella, and a touch of basil. They usually make this in a wood-fired oven to give it the unbeatable smoky flavor and the crunchy crust. And the taste, well, it was beyond anything I could have ever imagined for. It had the perfect combination of tangy tomato, rich cheese, and the smoky flavor. Hands down, it was the best pizza I've ever had in my life. And this wasn't the best part. The best part is it just cost €6 for pizza. Now you cannot beat such an amazing thing at this price point. I know, it might sound crazy to travel all the way to another country just for a pizza. But if you're a foodie, I think you do understand that food is not just sustenance. It's a memory, it's an experience, and sometimes it's even worth booking a flight for. So have you done anything like this, traveling to another country or another city just because you were craving for a specific dish? Let me know in the comment section below. And if not, I hope this story has inspired you to follow your taste buds on an adventure of their own. We've reached the end of this episode. So thank you so much for watching this, and if you enjoyed the video, do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon button so that you don't miss out on any more delicious content. Until next time, keep exploring, keep traveling and keep eating. Thank you.